Hello everyone, I'm Tanushree Armugam, representative of Boston Client Group, and today I'm gonna explain about the prototype that we have built is Smart Table. So this is my team members Shaktivil, Bhuvan, and I Tanushree, Kirti, and Mahesh. So today I'm gonna explain about our Smart Table, problem statement, solution description, function of the app, prototype demo video. So the picture below shows is an example and idea of the prototype that we have come up smart table. So the size and can be improved in the real project. The smart table is actually to help students to identify the availability of space by using an app. The purpose of the app is to check and book tables, charging ports, and additional space for students. Let's look at the problem statement. The problem is lack of space for students to utilize the table in student lunch, especially during the peak study times. It can be difficult for students to find an available study table, which make it difficult for them to learn properly. So this is the solution description we have come up for the problem. What we have in our smart table, we have app, weight sensor, charging ports, and light sensors. As for the app, students are able to check the availability of table and reserve one by using this app. For the weight sensors, the weight sensors can able to detect the presence of the object or people on the table surfaces, useful for security and triggering specific actions. For the charging ports, it available for all devices for multiple charging ports found in our smart table for convenient electronic device charging. For the light sensors, it can alert students when the table is booking time has ended by detecting when the light is turned off. So, why we choose this sensor? For the light sensor, white color LED light alert student their limitation of the time, and when the light goes off, students have to leave for to make space for other students. For the weight sensor, it able to detect when the students sit or put their books on the things on the table. So students for the charging port, students are able to charge the devices here. Actually, we want to implement this kind of charging ports, but due to the budget, we showed another kind of power supply in the video. And let's see how we can use our smart table. And I'm going to show you about our how the app works as well. And this is our app. First, we have to log in. For the first timers, they had to create an account, and they have to connect with Wi-Fi or data for the availability of the table, and they have to choose the table that have they want to see and reserve it, and they have to set the occupied time and the table, and that's how the table has been booked.
Set up a smart table
Now I'm going to
at
show
a
you
specific
about the
area.
prototype
So
demo
I
video.
think they have implement some devices. So I think that we can book our table by using the app. What do you think about that?
I think it's easy and it saves time also. So why don't we book the table right now?
Okay, can.
Here I will show you on how to use our app for to book the smart table. First of all, we must log in into our app. But for the first timers, they have to create an account in our app in order to book the table. So, students have to have a connection of Wi-Fi or data in order to book the table. And after that, student able to check the availability of the table in our university and book the table according to our time limit. With this smart table, students are able to see the device which contain weight and sensor and light sensor will help the students to indicate their time limit of the table. If the light goes off, it shows the students has reached their time limit to use the smart table and able to leave so that the other students are able to use again. Students also are able to charge their device while they use this table. It also useful for students since the most of the students use electronics to do their work and assignment. Students are also able to keep their belongings under the table. It keeps the belongings safe and helps them to not worry about their belongings. At last, this prototype we create is just a model, and in future, we will build and improve this prototype by focusing on the size and devices. Thank you.
Set up a smart table at a specific area. So I think they have implemented.
Thank you, and I hope everyone enjoy and learn more about our the prototype that we have built. Thank you.